Hi friends, today we are going to talk about New Zealand and how it has come out of its lockdown. New Zealand is one of the very few countries to partially come out of the lockdown. After 5 weeks of a hard lockdown, New Zealanders are about to emerge from a hard isolation as COVID 19 restrictions are wound back. New Zealand took a tougher line early, shutting down all schools, cafes, and restaurants, and all shops except essential services. Life was strictly confined to what was known as a household bubble. The credit also goes to the public for strictly sticking to the rules laid down by the government. The Prime Minister stated that they believed that decisive action of going hard and going early gave them the very best chance of stamping out the virus. They had adopted an elimination approach. However, elimination of the virus is not very realistic, and I think they would not get rid of this virus without a safe and effective vaccine. Though some believe that elimination of the virus is still a possibility but would take a few more cases to achieve. Currently, New Zealand has around 30 cases per 100,000 people. Although nobody knows how open it could be, they would learn on the go. New Zealand has reported 19 deaths, 1,472 confirmed and probable coronavirus cases, according to Johns Hopkins University. Of those, 1,214 of 82% confirmed and probable cases have recovered, the Ministry of Health said on Tuesday. Restaurants and cafes are now open for pickup and delivery only. Construction workers have started working on unfinished sites. It seems only a few handful cases are being reported each day, so the government is of the opinion that it is time to begin relaxing the lockdown in stages. The Prime Minister of New Zealand was quoted stating, "There is no widespread undetected community transmission in New Zealand. We have won the battle, but we must remain vigilant if we are to keep it that way, safely returning more New Zealanders to work, enabling more businesses to reopen, and allowing some of the recreational activities we have missed in the past 4 weeks." Under Alert Level 3, the government expects more than 400,000 people to return to work, which will, of course, provide a big boost to the economy after 5 weeks of inactivity. But there is a sense that even though New Zealand has managed to control the virus so far, economically the worst may be still to come. Yeah. So now thousands of jobs are linked to tourism, and right now the borders are closed. The government projects a worst case scenario of up to 26% unemployment. Restrictions may be easing, but the country, like so much of the world, is long way from being close to returning to normal. Now, the challenge is to rebuild the economy of New Zealand. The government is positive that as they have flattened the curve of the virus, they would be able to bring back the economy up and going as soon as possible. Though the travel industry still remains shut, they are going to focus on internally reviving the economy first and then look outside for development. They seem to have started early to rebuild and are not of the opinion to waste even a single day to achieve economic stability. However, tourism would be the focus to revive as quickly as possible. That's it from me right now. I'll come up with more news as soon as possible. See you. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also click the bell icon for updates on new videos. Thank you. Tata.